Hey everyone, so today I thought it'd be a good time to talk about net energy metering 2.0 time of use for Southern California Edison customers. SCE recently revised the rate schedule for time of use. This update to the time of use plans took effect on March 1st, so any customers that have not yet gone solar or are pending installation will be affected by this new rate change. But before we get into this, I want to let you know about our referral program. So if you know someone that's considering the switch to clean renewable power, you can submit their information online and receive $500. Plus, your referral will receive $500 off their solar purchase. There's no limit to the number of referrals you can submit, and you don't have to be an existing customer, as this is available to everyone in Southern California. You can learn more about our referral program by visiting us online and using the link in the description below. Now, SCE announced earlier this year they would be revising the time of use rate plans they rolled out in March of 2018. If you don't already know why utility companies are moving away from tiered rate plans, I'll quickly explain. So in 2016, 2017, the California Public Utilities Commission favored a mandate that would require all utility providers to place customers on time of use. It was determined by the Public Utilities Commission that a time of use plan would be best for customers' wallets, as California continues its push on being the green state rather than the golden state. But joking aside, there's a range of reasons for the mandate, and in short, by 2020, all utility customers, that's you and me, will have to be on a time of use plan. Now that you're up to date, let's get back to the new TOU plans and how they're different than the original time of use plans SCE rolled out back in 2018. To start, they've eliminated two of the plans altogether, making it a little easier to select the plan that's best for your schedule. Looking at the plans, you can see there are three to choose from: TOUD 4 to 9 p.m., TOUD 5 to 8 p.m., and TOUD Prime. I'm going to start with Prime because it's the recommended time of use plan for solar customers, solar plus storage customers, and electric vehicle owners. It's worth noting that time of use D Prime will only be open to customers until April 30th, and this is likely due to SCE planning another change if this program doesn't work out or requires some adjusting. I want to remind you real quick, if you went solar and received NEM approval before the March 1st, 2019 deadline, you will not be affected by the changes I'm talking about, as you are grandfathered into our rate structure that was available during your solar purchase, and that is typically good for 20 years. So with that said, if you don't have solar or a plus storage system or an electric vehicle, you'll have to select TOUD 4 to 9 or TOUD 5 to 8. I'm going to go over each of these now to help you determine which is best. So under TOU 4 to 9 p.m., you have a rate of 41 cents per kilowatt hour for a 5-hour period. This is, of course, during the summer months, which SCE puts from June to September, with the winter months being 29 cents per kilowatt hour during this on-peak time. The morning will be considered super off-peak during the winter months, with a marginal rate change to the summer months. Rates after 9 p.m. for both summer and winter are considered off-peak and come at a cost of 28 cents per kilowatt hour. Comparing this plan to TOUD 5 to 8, you have a shorter period with a higher rate of 7 cents. This means you'll pay 48 cents per kilowatt hour for that 3-hour window during the summer months, with winter months costing you 1 cent more, or 30 cents per kilowatt hour. The off-peak and super off-peak rates don't change much between the two plans. But here's a side-by-side comparison so you have a better visual and understanding. Now, some of you may have already received an email from SCE informing you about the switch to the new time of use plans and showing you estimates on how much you can expect to spend per year for each plan we just went over. Here's a picture we have from a customer that recently inquired about a solar EV charging system. And as you can see, their utility bill will increase without any changes to their energy usage in terms of kilowatt hours. Now, with that all said, the switch to renewable energy is even more apparent, as the cost of not having a solar system is likely going to cost you more in the long run, regardless of the plan you select. The good news is you have options, and there have been a number of emerging battery companies in the solar industry that are pushing the cost of battery technology down. I'll be doing another video that compares 5 different battery companies while providing real estimates to help you see which has the best return on investment based on the new TOU rate structures. If you're someone that's against going solar, because I know you're out there watching, at least go buy a cheap electric vehicle like the Nissan Leaf so you can sign up for the time of use D Prime plan. This will save you a bit of money every month. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit us online to get your free Solar Plus storage quote. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on valuable information just like this. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.